how to invite people on Cash App and also get free money. So if you would like to invite people on Cash App and also get free money, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, this is a type of interface that you will be able to see where you have to tap the bottom right icon, which is the activity icon. So when you tap the activity icon, there you'll find the plus button that says invite friends and get €5. So if you're on the GBP area where GBP is at your currency, you'll find this GBP section. And if you want to invite and if they open the Cash App account, then both of you will get €5 each. So that's how it works. So you can invite the person using their phone or the email. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.